I'm here today, only God. On June 2016, my wife was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer. We cannot sleep for almost 8 months after we lost our second born child. Now, another thing come on our life. The following week, back to the doctor office, he said to my wife, "Young lady, what are you doing with your body?" I was very upset. "What are you doing with your body?" "There is nothing we can do to save your life." Finally, I said, "Okay, let's go. God is always in control." 4 days later, we heard about a supplement named Him that can help. We called Pastor Will. The same day, Pastor Will came to my house with Florence Lendor, Miss Jacqueline Doris May, Jackie. So, they explained to us, you can try. Okay, we're gonna try. They share the Him, omega-3, and vitamin C. Guess what? It's work. My wife and I cannot sleep for over 12 months. And then when I watch my wife sleeping, I was very scared. Very, very, very scared because it's something unusual because my wife never sleeps. I wake her up. "Oh, baby, please let me sleep." Okay. But after a few hours, she said, "Okay, baby, you know what? Today you can go to work." "Are you sure I can go to work today?" She said, "Yes." Okay, I go to work. When I came home, I saw the entire house is clean. Said, "Don't you go upstairs?" When I went upstairs, everything, wow. I said, what's going on? Who come to clean the house for you? "Oh, look at the kitchen. She even cooked that day." Yeah. Let me tell you something. Keep sharing. There is nothing you're gonna lose. The more you're sharing, the more your life is gonna change. Today, as Sharon's master, we not only make money, our health is changed a lot. I remember before I met Atomy, my wife was very sick. I get paid. I tried to put gas on my car, decline. I went to the bank to ask what's going on. When the lady showed me, "Oh man." And then after I left the bank, my daughter called me. "Daddy, can I have a pizza?" Guess what my answer? "No. You have to wait until next 2 weeks." Can you imagine your child asks for a pizza, just $10? You have to wait until next 2 weeks to buy a pizza for a child. That's a shame. But tears come from my eyes, so I'm crying a lot. Now guess what? If she called me now, said, "Daddy, I need 100 pizza." Right? The only reason I'm not gonna bring 100 pizza because too much cheese on it. Right? Otherwise, I can bring 1,000 because Atomy make money on my pocket. Our life is changed